Oh, hello there. My name is Andy Hayworth, and I'm a staff member here at ISA, the International Society of Automation. I'm reaching out to you today to tell you about a couple of the events that we're putting on this month, June, and they are both technical conferences or symposia. The first one is the LDAR Symposium, and the second is the Power Industry Division Symposium. Now, the reason you're going to want to go to technical conferences is for the content, the presentations, and you're going to also find out about the new and emerging technologies and how you can apply them. Plus, you're going to have networking opportunities and chances to meet vendors that work in your industry. So the first one coming up is the Leak Detection and Repair Symposium. That's going to be running the 20th through the 21st of June in Galveston, Texas. If you've never been to Galveston, it is fantastic and beautiful. The LDAR Symposium is going to help you stay ahead of rapidly evolving regulations, mandates, policy updates. It is the air compliance industry's only conference that's solely dedicated to sharing the best practices for LDAR and directed inspection and maintenance programs. The technical topics that we're going to cover at the LDAR program are LDAR compliance, LDAR design and validation, consent decree updates, implementing LDAR programs, NSPS Quad OA, contractor reliability, EPA regulatory alerts and updates, quality assurance, quality control of LDAR data, and my favorite, Subpart W. Some of the vendors that we're going to have are ABM, A1 Tags, Ameritech Environmental Services, Central Emission Monitoring Service, Inrug Resources, Garlock, Guideware Systems, Industrial Specialty Services, InfoSite Corporation, Inspection Logic, LDAR Solutions, PSC, Sensit Technologies, Team Firmanite, Think Environmental, Trinity Consultants, United Electric Controls. Now, in addition to the conference, the technical presentations that are running the 20th and the 21st, we're also going to have a couple of one-day training courses. There'll be one before the conference and then one the day after the conference. And you can do either or. If you got one day and you want to take the training course, you can do that, or you can make a week of it. So on Monday the 19th, we're running a new course called Outside the Lines, Inside the Pipe. Brand new course. I think you're going to like it. And then the day after the conference, on Thursday the 22nd, we're running a classic, Audit Proofing Your LDAR Program. It's new and improved for 2017, so I think you want to check that out as well. Plus, on site, my favorite part, you're going to be able to buy a t-shirt that says Fugitive Recovery Agent. Alright, now the second event I told you about, I'm going to tell you a little bit more about now. It's POWID. It's the Power Industry Division Symposia. And this year it is the 27th through the 29th of June. It's going to be in Cleveland, Ohio at Case Western Reserve University's engineering facilities. POWID will provide power generation industry professionals with information on the latest innovations in automation, controls, and instrumentation for the power industry. Specific tracks that we're going to have are cybersecurity, fleet-wide systems, nuclear and fossil generation, renewable and distributed generation, and emerging technologies. So you can pick a track or you can make your own track. And you can check out that program online on our website, isa.org, or you can go to the specific links that will be in the description area of this video. Now, POWID has 4 keynote speakers. Those speakers are Dwight Clayton, who is the Division Director and Research Operations Manager over at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. He's going to give us an update on all the programs that are cooking up over there. Then we have Jeffrey Katz, the CTO of Energy and Utilities over at IBM. He's going to talk about machine learning and how it's going to be applied to the power industry. I think that's going to be fascinating. Then we've got Robert Yeager, who's president of Emerson's Process Systems business. He's going to talk about industry trends and what he calls his vision for the power plant of the future. And then we're going to have Dr. Jeffrey Landis, researcher in photovoltaic and electrochemical systems over at NASA, and he's going to be talking about power systems in space. Some of the vendors we're going to have at POWID are ControlSoft, Emerson, Ethos Energy, Lorem America, Provecta Process Automation. And then just as with LDAR, POWID is going to have a couple of training courses as well. We've got 2 one-day courses now. They're taking place on the same day, on Monday the 26th of June, so you've got to pick which one applies to you, but they both deal with industrial cybersecurity. The first one that's an overview, it's a place to get started, is the Introduction to Industrial Automation and Security and the ISA IEC standard 62443. And then the more advanced course, the new one, is an overview of penetration testing for industrial control systems. Now again, you can just come for the one day and take a training course, you can just do the technical conference, or you can do both, it's up to you. Now again, those two conferences are the Leak Detection and Repair Conference, that's going to be the 19th through the 21st of June in Galveston, and then the Power Industry Division Conference, that's going to be the 26th through the 29th of June in Cleveland, Ohio. And don't forget to check out our upcoming conferences that are running later this year. In August, we have the Water and Wastewater and Automatic Control Symposium. That's going to be in Orlando, Florida. And then November, in Houston, we've got two conferences that are co-located. The first is Process Control and Safety Symposium, and then the second is the International Instrumentation Symposium. Both of those are going to be together in Houston, Texas this year. They are don't miss events. Thank you, and be sure and check out the registration and program links below.